Well, the reason the rich don't work for money is number one expense is tax. See, there's three kinds of income: earned, portfolio, passive. So earned income is if I get a job, that's earned income because I'm working for it. If I buy, let's say, Apple for $10 and I sell it for $20, that's portfolio income, capital gains.
Yeah.
But passive income, which is cash flow, is never taxed.
Hello, savvy investors and future financiers. Today, we're diving into a world many dream about, but few truly understand: the realm of passive income. In a society where the 9-to-5 grind has become the norm, who wouldn't yearn for financial freedom? Imagine earning money while you're sipping coffee with friends, traveling the world, or even in the tranquility of sleep. Sounds too good to be true? Not quite. This is Financial Intellect, where we promote that to be finance savvy, we are your buddy. Inspired by the insights of Robert Kiyosaki, author of Rich Dad, Poor Dad, let's embark on this journey together, exploring the secrets to unlocking passive income in 2023. Understanding income types: earned, portfolio, and passive. All right, let's dig a bit deeper into this. When we talk about income, it's like we're looking at different flavors of earning money. First up, there's earned income. Picture this as your 9-to-5 gig where you clock in, do your work, and get a paycheck. It's steady, sure, but the government usually takes a good chunk of it in taxes. Next, we've got portfolio income. This one's a bit like playing the stock market. You invest in things like stocks or bonds, and if you're smart about it, you buy when prices are low and sell when they're high, making a profit. It's a bit riskier, but can be rewarding. Lastly, we hit the jackpot with passive income, which is the real MVP here. Think of it like planting a money tree. You do some work up front, maybe buying property to rent or creating a successful blog. And after that, you just sit back and watch the money roll in with little effort. It's all about setting things up so you can earn money while you're sleeping, on vacation, or just enjoying your life. That's the kind of smart work we're aiming for. Real estate, a tangible asset for steady income. Let's take a closer look at real estate, which is like the golden ticket in the wealth building world, especially according to gurus like Robert Kiyosaki. So, what's the big deal with real estate? Well, it's something you can see and touch. It's a piece of the real world, not just numbers on a screen. Plus, people always need a place to live or to do business, right? That's where its charm lies. There are different ways to play the game. You've got rental properties where you can be the landlord, commercial real estate, which is all about business spaces, and then there are real estate investment trusts or REITs, which let you invest in real estate without owning the actual property. But here's the burning question: how do you make real estate a source of passive income? We're going to strip it down to the basics and guide you through the process. Even if you're not rolling in cash, we'll show you how to start small and still make a mark in the real estate world. Dividend stocks, balancing cash flow and risk. Diving into the world of dividend stocks, we find ourselves playing a delicate balancing act between cash flow and risk. These stocks are like the steady drumbeat in an investor's portfolio, promising regular payouts from a company's profits. But it's not all about the cash flow. There's also the unpredictability of the stock market to consider. Think of it as walking a tightrope. On one side, you have the potential for a steady stream of income, and on the other, the ever-present risk of market fluctuations. The key is in making savvy choices. You need to pick stocks that not only promise a good return, but also stand strong during economic turbulence. It's about finding that sweet spot where your investments bring in a consistent cash flow while minimizing your risk exposure. This is where strategic thinking and a keen eye for market trends become invaluable. By carefully selecting and balancing your dividend stock portfolio, you're setting yourself up for long-term success, ensuring a balance between a reliable income stream and managing the inherent risks of the stock market. Passive business ventures, online businesses, and crowdfunding. Passive business ventures, particularly online businesses and crowdfunding, represent a modern approach to income generation with minimal active involvement. Online businesses offer vast opportunities where entrepreneurs can set up digital storefronts or provide services that operate largely autonomously. This could include e-commerce platforms, dropshipping, digital product sales, or subscription-based services. On the other hand, crowdfunding presents a unique avenue for passive investments. Individuals can invest in a diverse range of projects or startups, earning potential returns as these ventures grow. Platforms like Kickstarter and Indiegogo have popularized this model, allowing people to support innovative products or ideas while potentially reaping financial rewards if the projects succeed. Both online businesses and crowdfunding embody the shift toward more flexible, technology-driven investment and income strategies, appealing to those seeking to diversify their income streams with less day-to-day management. Intellectual property, creative assets for passive earnings. Intellectual property, or IP, stands as a pivotal element in creating passive earnings, particularly in the digital age. This category encompasses creative assets like patents, copyrights, trademarks, and trade secrets, which can be monetized through licensing or outright sales. For instance, inventors can license patents to companies, allowing them to use the invention in exchange for royalties. Authors and artists capitalize on copyrights by permitting the use of their literary or artistic works, often receiving a steady income stream from book sales, music royalties, or image licensing. Trademarks, symbolizing a brand's identity, can be licensed to other businesses, generating revenue each time the trademark is used commercially. Additionally, trade secrets, such as unique recipes or business methods, can be a source of continuous income if successfully kept confidential and monetized. Leveraging intellectual property in these ways enables creators and innovators to earn passively, reaping financial benefits from their creativity and innovation long after the initial creation phase. Peer-to-peer lending, becoming the bank. Let's dive into something pretty cool. Peer-to-peer lending, or as I like to call it, becoming the bank. Imagine you're the one in the fancy chair handing out cash, but in your pajamas from the comfort of your home. Peer-to-peer lending flips the traditional banking script. Through online platforms, you can lend your money directly to individuals or small businesses seeking loans. It's like a matchmaking service for finance. You get to play Cupid with your cash. You're not just giving out money though, you're investing it. You earn interest as borrowers repay their loans, often at rates better than your typical savings account. And the best part, you get to choose who you lend to, whether it's someone starting a quirky new business or someone consolidating their debts. It's finance with a personal touch, and you're in the driver's seat. Just remember, with great power comes great responsibility and risk. But hey, that's all part of the fun of being the bank, right? Annuities, securing long-term income. Last but not least, let's chat about annuities, the financial world's equivalent of a slow cooker recipe for long-term income. Picture this. You put in a lump sum or a series of payments, like tossing in ingredients, and then voila! Over time, this financial stew cooks up a steady stream of income for you. It's like having a paycheck that you can't accidentally spend all at once at a midnight online shopping spree. Annuities come in all sorts of flavors. from those that pay you immediately to those that start paying after a certain age, kind of like a surprise birthday gift from your future self. And just when you thought it couldn't get any spicier, some annuities even tie your returns to stock market performance, adding a pinch of excitement to your financial recipe. So if you're looking to set and forget part of your financial plan and enjoy the aroma of guaranteed income simmering in the background, annuities might just be your go-to ingredient. Remember, always read the recipe. The contract, carefully. Happy financial cooking! As we wrap up this exploration of passive income pathways, remember that each journey is unique. Whether you're starting with a small investment or have significant capital, the key is to start. Embrace learning, stay open to new ideas, and be prepared to adapt. Financial freedom isn't just a dream, it's an achievable reality. Let's continue this conversation in the comments. Share your thoughts, experiences, and questions. Don't forget to hit subscribe to stay updated with Financial Intellect. Until next time, stay curious, stay motivated, and above all, stay financially savvy.